Hello friends, this is lecture number 6 on STAAD.Pro. Today we will see STAAD model library, that is structure wizard, and different operation done with the help of menu bar tabs. Open STAAD.Pro, changing backup time, open new project, space frame, name the project, designate the saving location, click open structure wizard. Here we have saved models of truss members, frame members, circular members and many others. Length, number of base 3, as we can see. Across the length we have one way, whereas along the length we have three bays. Similarly, we can change the number of bays, length, height and width. Number of bays across width 2. Click apply. Now you can see the change. Increase the width, increase the length also. Similarly, we can do it for frame structure. Bay frame, double click to open it. Height of building 15 meter, width 12 meter, number of bays along length. Double click to edit it. Let's make an unsymmetrical frame, 2 bay along x-axis, 3 bay along z-axis, 2 floors in y-axis. Similarly for cylindrical frame, you can change its radius, length, click apply. Changing angle to 180 degree. Let's import it in STAAD file. Put x equal to 5 and y equal to 5. Click OK. Now use node cursor, check coordinates. Here x equal to 10, y equal to 5. Similarly for node 19, x equal to 0, y equal to 5. Now go to geometry, add a node with 0, 0, 0, add a beam using beam cursor. Now translate it in Z direction. First know the distance between two nodes, that is 5 meter. Translate this beam with 5 meter spacing. Six. Click OK. Again the distance 10 meter. Cancel it. Use translation mode. 10 meter. Number of step 1. Global direction X. Click OK. Now assign plate to roof. Now assign property to column and thickness to the plate. Define column property. Define plate thickness. Use F2 button for unit conversion. The plate has same thickness from all four corners. Assign it. Assign to. Now see the 3D view. We can see this, how easily we had made this structure. Delete the property. Now undo all. Delete it. Now again run structure wizard from geometry tab. Select run structure wizard. Import a multi-story framed structure. with 3 bays along x-axis, 4 bays along z-axis, and 3 bays vertical. Select the import coordinate, click OK. Our file is imported here. If we want to edit it, we can use translation repeat. Use translation repeat to enter one bay in x-axis. Default step spacing 4 meter, link space, open base, click OK. We had generated one more bay. Now let's see minibar option. Create a node. Use select menu, select orphan node. Highlight. It is highlighted on your screen as well as on table. Click remove. The highlighted node is removed directly. Here we have calculator also to use it. Similarly, in tool menu we have unit converter to convert one dimension into other unit, like centimeter to feet, feet to centimeter, inch to centimeter. From select menu we have different cursors also, which we are having page area. Similarly, beam parallel to X. Select it. You can see all the beams aligned in X direction are being selected easily. It is very effective option to assign member properties and loading in structure. Similarly, beam parallel to Y. See the selected members only from view button. Click OK to view the selected members only. We can go there with view tab in menu bar. Now from geometry toolbar, split beam. Select a beam. Add new point. Divide it from midpoint. You can select the distance from the starting node as it is cleared. You can see two nodes are created on beam 196. Undo it. We can use it from the tab bar. Now next is command. Here we have member property like prismatic, which we have in property tab. Loading definitions, primary load, define property, create 3 sections, use F2 button, F2 50 mm, click enter, it's converting 0.25 mm. Similarly, we can do it for ZD. Edit. Now create a new section, 300 cross 200 mm for beam. Similarly, 200 cross 200 mm for beam section. Assign it using different menu bar tools. This beam parallel to x-axis, beam parallel to y-axis. These tools makes our work easy, as before we are selecting all the members manually. Now all the properties are assigned to member. Now create some error. Till now our file has not have any error. Left this member with undefined property. We will see it later. How do we find it using a new tool? Now providing support, create fix support, assign it, select the nodes, click yes. Now the load definition, first is primary load, dead load, edit, then live load. Now close the tab, define them, self weight, then UDL, similarly as before, minus 7.2, click add, then minus 14.2 kN per meter, click add, flow load, we will add in later, assign these properties. Now we not have to assign this property to these 3 members. So select this member with control. Now use a new tool, invert the member. The unselected items are selected. Click assign. Now apply this UDL to members to interior panels. Now use view toolbar to assign this load. Give selected object only. Now go to the top view. Now interior middle beams are deleted. It's like there is a shaft opening for ventilation opening. Now load this UDL in interior panels. Similarly for outer panels. Click assign to selected beams. Click assign. The load is assigned. Now apply floor load over the structure. Use whole structure wizard to display whole structure. Now add floor load. We can also add different loads for finishing and flooring. But right now for learning practice, we are neglecting those loads. Similarly for live load, add -3 kN per meter square. Maximum 15.2 something. Here we can see two-way load system. How load is distributed over the panels. Now analysis, print analysis, run analysis. Now we have 6 errors that we kept left there. Now check out those errors. Elastic modulus not entered. Section property is not entered. Now go to the modeling tab again. As we know the beam numbers, we list them using list toolbar. Select beams, enter beam number, select listed entities. The members are highlighted. Now we can do it by other tool, by missing attribute tool. Select by missing properties. The members are selected. Delete those members. Again run analysis. The errors are 0. There is only one warning. This is common. We can neglect it. Now post processing. Let's define the load combination. Define combination. Name it. Edit. Auto load combination. Select Indian code. Click generate load. The loads are generated according to the loads we have selected, that is dead load and live load. 0.94 overturning. Neglect it. Click add button. Again run analysis. See post processing. The shear force bending moment diagram. Support reaction. Check out the support reaction table from report bar. Force in y direction, absolute value, list from higher to low. As we can see, maximum vertical force is 578 kilonewton. Can do animation. Now generate report file. Select the needed entities. Beam and force summary. Select reaction envelope. Reaction summary. Now click OK. We can see primary load and combination of load and factor of safety used. These are the reaction envelopes. Reaction summary. That's all in today's lecture. Thank you.